I've been getting an issue in Blender where I'm getting a behavior which I think is not correct. And the tool is loop, cut, and slide. If I have this cube which has a face which is slightly above the vertex, if I insert a cut and then use the smoothness, I get this raise on the side, which is like an edge flow, which is what I would expect to do. But what I also get is a curve on the side, which is not what I would expect it to do, because there should be no curvature on this because it's a complete flat face. Now the behavior I'm expecting is similar to the edge flow found in Maya. So if I go into the tool, multi-cut, and then have edge flow turned on, and then insert an edge, I get this curvature, which is from the edge flow, but also from the top I don't get any curvature at all. It's a complete straight because there is no curvature. The edge flow is completely straight. But as you see in Blender, I get this weird curvature. I tried to post this on the developer's website, but I was apparently not doing it correctly, so now I'm trying it via this video and see what happens. So let me know what you think. Is this an actual error, or is this actually the behavior that you expect from the tool?